Hey guys, welcome back to our 11th lesson on Java. Today we'll be talking about assignment operators. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by initializing a variable x to equal 15. So int x equals 15. So just by doing this simple command, I'm using something called the simple assignment operator, which is just the equal sign. Okay, so we already know how to use this. Now I'll say something like x plus equals 10. So x plus equals 10, and then I'm going to do system.out.println 10. Oops. System.out.println 10. Oops, x. And then we run this code. Things are just taking a long time. Okay, yeah. So just basically by doing this, all we have is we're initializing variable x to start off to equal a 15, and then we're going to add 10 to x, and then change the value of x to equal 15 plus 10. And this is why when we're printing x down here, we're printing x to equal 25, because x's new value is 15 plus 10. Next, we can also do this with the subtraction. So suppose instead of adding, we just want to subtract. We could do the same exact thing, and instead of doing 10 plus 15, we're going to be doing 15 minus 10, because 15 equals 15 minus 10, and then print x. So another way you guys can think of this, so I'm just going to comment this out for now. Another way you guys can think about this is x equals x plus 10, right? So like if that would be for the x plus equals 10, if we ran this, oops, forgot my semicolon on that, my bad guys, yeah. So when we do this, x equals x plus 10, that's the same exact thing as x plus equals 10, but it just makes things really easy and makes things faster. Like same thing, I can do x plus 10, x equals x plus 10, or I can change it now this time to equal x equals x minus 10, which is just 15 minus 10 from before. I mean, we always do get the same result of 5. You know, just using plus equals, minus equals, just make life easier for us. So I'll just get rid of this little sequence of code. I'll comment that back out. Another thing we can do is multiply equals. So asterisk equals just means x equals x initial value of x, which is 15, times 10, which is 150. So x equals 150, exactly what we get down here. X equals 150, and we have 2 more to go. X, you know what, x divide equals, and you know, just for the sake of, oops, get rid of the multiplication. Just for the sake of making things easier, I'm changing this from 10 to 5 because, you know, it'll actually go in evenly. So x equals x divided by 5, which is just 3. So yeah, so just remember guys, the example I showed you before where comment this code out, x equals x divided by 5, and like all this kind of simple code, this can be applied for all the operators, not just for plus and minus. I just did plus and minus for the sake of time. So if I ran this code with the semicolon at the end, which I forgot last time, if we just ran this code, we'd get x is equal to 3, and that's exactly what we print to the console up here. Okay, so now we have one more operator that we can use, and unlike the rest of these, this operator is not in regular math, and it's of course the modulus operator. And as you guys should remember from our previous videos, all modulus does is it gives us the remainder when we divide two things. So since 15 goes into 5 evenly, I'll try to pick another number, which it won't. So I'm going to pick something like 6. So 15 modulus equals 6. And we should be expecting a remainder of 3. And when we check down here, 3 is exactly what we get. So hopefully you guys learned something from this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. And I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Peace!